So we have the data set here, essentially a dictionary it is, and then we have created a data frame out of it. So as you can see, that's how a data frame actually looks like, data frame population 2. Now let's try to plot the graph which has the kind of same x-axis and different y-axis. So we want that thing to be in the same plot. We'll just see how we can do that. So I have imported the matplotlib.pyplot as plt here, and then matplotlib inlines of the graphs are actually showed here in the Jupyter notebook. So you can take fig.ax equal to plt.subplots. So we are essentially plotting subplots here, and ax2 you can specify as the Twinx of axis we have created just before that. So it's ax.twinx. Now ax.plot, and you can choose your x points on the x-axis what you want to plot here. So let's take year column, and on the y-axis let's take the population column. And for the ax2 for the second axis, let's create another different value sets. So we have taken the year on the axis, and on the y we want to take like median age. So if we do plot this thing, so you just have to show plt.show, and if we plot, then as you can see, a graph is displayed. On the one hand side, it has the values from 200 to 800, essentially representing the population. The x-axis is common, and on the other side of the graph you can see the value sets from 25 to 50 for the median age. So that's how you can actually plot different y-axis in the same graph, keeping the x-axis same. Also you can specify different arguments, maybe related to the color or the points, marking points that you want. So here I'm just going to specify the color argument. Let's put the for the first line plot, let's put the color as green. For the second, let's put as the red. As you can see, now the lines are represented with different color, with red line representing the median age and green line representing the population.